How to turn off reminders, push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off reminders, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner, and now click settings and then notifications, and here click again this one, reminders. And now all you need to do just click here to turn it off, and as you see, push notifications have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.